Let's tell the truth. China's on the march, and we are not prepared to stop them. Let me just say that again. China is on the march, and we are not, at this moment, prepared to stop them. We didn't stop them cheating on trade. We didn't stop them stealing our industry. We didn't stop them in Hong Kong. And now, if China invades Taiwan, they would prevail. Let me say that again. If China were to invade Taiwan today, they would prevail. Which is why we are at an inflection point, a moment when we have to make some tough decisions. Given all of that, let's just assume for a moment that the worst happens. China invades and seizes Taiwan. Maybe we try to stop it, we're not successful, and the island's lost. What would that mean for us? Well, nothing good. If China conquers Taiwan, Xi and the Chinese Communist Party will view it as a world historical victory. They will see it as the dawn of a new Chinese century that puts the lie to America's promises of liberty. And Americans themselves, we will confront a new and frankly terrifying reality. Every American will feel it. The price hikes, the supply chain disruptions that we've experienced in the last 2 years, those will pale in comparison. Product shortages will become commonplace. We're talking about everything from basic medicine to consumer electronics. By some estimates, war over Taiwan would send us into a deep recession with no clear way out, since huge swaths of our economy runs on Taiwanese, semiconductors. We will lose more jobs, our industry will suffer, and the economic consequences are just the start. If China takes Taiwan, it will be able to station its own military forces there. It can then use its position as a springboard for further conquest and intimidation against Japan, against the Philippines, against other Pacific islands like Guam. As Asia's new reigning power, China could then restrict U.S. trade in the region, maybe block it altogether. Maybe they'd allow us in, but only on terms favorable to China. China's exploited the global trade system before. We've seen that. Now imagine if they could do it again. Imagine if they could do it at a new, truly global scale.